welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over an 89 Sabers JFO. This guy is really cool. I've had the privilege of installing one before, but never two, and there was some cram foo involved. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so this is the 89 Sabers JFO Fallen Order lightsaber. It's actually two of them. And just to show you, this whole staff turns on, just twist on and twist off. Gestures for this does not turn on battle mode. So you should be able to turn it on and go to town without having to worry about lockups and stuff happening. The sabers also work independently from each other. And they are two separate builds. So these align correctly, you just have to wrench it down pretty hard. So I'm trying to future-proof it from being out of alignment. But if it ever is terribly out of alignment, these are really easy to reset, so not crazy if you wanted to. But the saber's super smashed, you know? Like, I mean, I had to actually Dremel the inside of the ID of the threading in here in order for the battery to be pushed in and out. But essentially, there's no kill switch, so the saber's always on. And you would just, boop, pop that out like that, and then you can, I would recommend pushing down until it comes out, but then there's your battery. All good, and there's your soundboard. Everything all solid. But, yeah, it was definitely a little bit of a cram foo job. Came out great, though. And it's all greased up, in case you hadn't noticed already. So, boop, this goes on. Remember, gestures are on, so when you're screwing this back on, you want to make sure that you go one direction instead of, you know, your hand naturally wants to give you more motion by twisting back the item you're twisting. So, and then to align it, just make sure you get it nice and snug. So that lines up real nice and neat. And then you have your auxiliary back here. But it's tap on, tap off. These are FET 263 2-button configs for the Proffie V2.2. These have 28mm bass speakers, 3.7 volt 18650 batteries, Proffie V2.2, and stock NPXL V3 connectors. So yeah, they're fully loaded. And the cool thing is they also have their broken bottom, so you technically have two lightsabers in one if you're not using it as a staff. So let me grab one of them. Doop. And there you go. Broken bottom. Very loud. So obviously when you're done with these, you're going to want to take the batteries out, or else these are just going to remain on. Gestures will stop working after the saber is inactive for 15 minutes. So if you put the saber down, walk away, come back 20 minutes later, try and pick it up and gesture the saber on, it won't turn on until you turn it on with the power or you change fonts using the auxiliary. There's all kinds of controls for Proffie 6.5. So I send all the sabers with FET 263's instruction manual for the button controls. There's 4 pages. It's ridiculous, but after you read it over and you practice a little bit and maybe send me a few quick DMs through Instagram, you will be a pro. And I guess maybe I should be doing a video for like how to control these. Anyways, that pretty much does it for this build, and I hope you really enjoyed that. but I'm eager to send this to its new home. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. And if you are looking to have a lightsaber installed, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com. I'd be more than happy to help answer any questions you have and let you know about time frame of install and price and all that. Thanks for checking out the video, and as always, may the Force be with you.